Imagine cruising in a car that looks and feels brand new every single day. That's right. In just 3 seconds, meet your car's best friend, the Universal Automotive Interior Detailing Kit. This isn't just any cleaning kit. It's a complete makeover for your ride's interior. Unpack this beauty, and you've got an all-star ensemble of 10 to 15 stellar tools. From microfiber cloths to detail brushes, it's designed like a pit crew, tackling everything from dashboards to carpets. Kiss those stubborn stains and grimy surfaces goodbye. But wait, there's more. Each cleaner is like having a tiny army for every corner of your car. Dashboards, seats, windows, handled, no sweat. Plus, it's super gentle, so those delicate surfaces stay protected. Let's talk comfort. The tools are so ergonomically friendly, cleaning feels less like a chore and more like a victory dance. Quick-dry formulas mean you're done quicker and back on the road in no time. Your eco-warrior heart will love it too, with biodegradable cleaners that are tough on dirt, but kind to Mother Earth. Now, are you ready to transform your car into its best self? Don't just take my word for it. Hit that link in the description and grab yours now. Experience clean. Experience new.